This video about your soldiers got 36 million views, and this other one got 9.9 million views. That's nearly 50 million views from just 2 videos. It's like the internet exploded with patriotism. Clearly, this is a viral goldmine, and these channels are making literally 10K a month. When I saw these videos blowing up, I was thinking they must be using some fancy studio with a Hollywood budget. But then I looked closer.
How are US soldiers different from European soldiers? In Afghanistan, there was a common French saying, "You better pray that you have an American in your unit." A French soldier wrote about his experience.
No studio, no actors, just AI. And apparently these can be whipped up in just 1 minute following some secret 3-step strategy. And get this, it's free! So the other day, I was just scrolling through YouTube, and this reel popped up. I clicked on their channel and noticed something weird. Every video was getting good views. And I noticed something different too. The first military one we watched, and this one using the exact same strategies. Just look at this video.
In a grand mansion lived a boy named Samuel, who always wanted everything instantly. One day at school,
And now look at the military one.
How are US soldiers different from European soldiers? In Afghanistan, there was a common French saying, "You better pray that you have an American in your unit."
These both videos are created by AI in just 1 minute. In this video, you're going to learn everything from how to set up your channel the right way, to how to find viral scripts using AI, and finally, how to generate the video in just 60 seconds. I've broken the process down into 3 simple steps, so even if you're a complete beginner, even a 10-year-old kid can do it. Step 1. Let's create your own YouTube channel and make it look clean and professional. Branding is important, but don't worry, this takes less than 5 minutes. So here's what we do. Head over to YouTube, click on your profile icon, hit Switch Account, then click View All Channels, and hit Create a Channel. Boom, we are in. Now, YouTube asks for 3 things: a name, a profile picture, and a handle. Let's start with the name. And no, you don't need to be a genius about it. Just go to ChatGPT and say, "Give me 20 YouTube channel names, max 2 words, for military theme." Pick one that sounds clean and strong. For example, Frontline, simple and direct. Next step, profile picture. Open Canva, type military logo, and pick a template. Drag and drop, and add your name. That's it. Done. Or if you want something more unique, go to Leonardo AI and create a picture, a background with some tags on it. For example, create me a US military-themed logo background. Simple. And after that, you get 150 points daily, so you don't have to worry about the points. Just get the video done. And after that, now back on YouTube. Upload your profile picture, enter the name, let's say Frontline, and then hit click. Channel is done. But wait, let's make it actually look good. Head to your YouTube studio, customization, then upload a banner. Go back to Canva, search YouTube banner, select any template, and don't overthink it. Just pick something random, clean, and just type on the elements. For example, go to Elements and get some of the elements, and after that, drop in that image you just made from Leonardo.ai. After that, that's done. And export it. Upload that to YouTube, and boom, your channel now looks legit. Finally, drop a short description like, ask ChatGPT about the description. Write me the description for my channel. That's done also. And after that, you need tags, channel tags, and how to write that. So channel tags are simple. Basically ask ChatGPT, "My theme is military," as you know. And after that, make him write max 500 characters, but separate them by commas. Here you have the tags ready, and your YouTube channel is set up right now. Step 2. Creating a viral script. Here's the plan. First, go to any popular YouTuber in your niche, and let's say you're in the military space, a military shorts channel. Click on their popular tab, and now scroll and pick any video that performs really well, one that you personally like to. Copy the video link. Now head over to the free website called tactic.ai. This tool is insane. Paste the link, and boom, you get the entire transcript of the viral video. Copy the transcript easy. Now open ChatGPT, and here's the exact prompt you need to paste. This is also included in my 3-step strategy. So go down, scroll below, and download a document file. Okay, So the script is, act as a viral script master who is a genius at writing hooks no one can ignore. Here's an example of a viral script. Study the structure and style. Don't use the timestamp or anything. I want this as a spoken script only. Say only done when ready and I will give you my idea. Now paste the script into ChatGPT, and when ChatGPT says done, give it your idea. For example, my idea is top 5 military moments, and boom, it will give you a perfect viral script. Step 3, the most awaited moment. Your video in just 1 minute. I know, sounds fake, but it's 100% real. And guess what? You don't need any fancy editing software or some Hollywood-level skills. In fact, you already have the app. It's called CapCut. Yep, CapCut. Your phone probably got it. And you didn't expect that, right? So here's what you need to do. Open CapCut on your phone or PC. Now click on AI Video Maker. Yes, they have that now. And scroll down and click on the category Educational. We are using this because it fits the viral narration, top 5 facts, etc. Now select the first template you see and click Remake. Paste the viral script ChatGPT made and sit back and wait for 1 minute. That's it. And boom, your whole video is ready.
Here are the top 5 most badass things in military history. Part 5. Number 5, the Ghost of Kiev. When Russian forces invaded Ukraine, a mysterious fighter pilot began racking up kills in the sky. No one knew who he was, just that he flew a MiG-29 and took down 6 enemy jets in one day. Whether it was one pilot or a myth doesn't even matter. The morale he gave to an entire nation is unmatched. Number 4, Operation Neptune Spear. It was pitch black in Abbottabad, Pakistan, when SEAL Team 6 dropped from helicopters into a compound surrounded by high walls. Inside, Osama bin Laden, years of intelligence, planning, and precision.